What is up, everybody? Welcome back to today's mukbang. Today's mukbang, we're having like a crawfish seafood boil. We're about to dig in. We're about to chow down. I'm hungry, and I wanted to do something that was like low carbs. I know corn's got some carbs, but you know what it is, what it is. Anyway, yeah. So this is your first time watching, or if you're returning, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you have not yet already. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Turn on your post notifications, and let's just hop right into this mukbang right now. Thank you, Jesus, for his day. Thank you for helping us in all we do. Just continue to yourself safe your night, bless more day. Help us all get along. Forgive us all for our sins. Be able to want to do without. Put your hands on them. Put your hands on everybody. In Jesus' name, pray. Amen. All right. So, yeah, we're about to just dig in, you know. But if you're first time watching or whatever, just welcome. And we're going to chow down. We're going to eat and have a good time. And we have some claws here that we're going to save till last because I'm going to try to crack them open and see what is inside, you know? That's what we want to do today. But I wanted a good crawfish boil, and that's what we are having today. I know some people eat and suck it, but I ain't doing that. I ain't doing it. Not today. But how is everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Hope you're doing great. We got some corn smothered in garlic. I have a bowl over here to the side to put everything in. All the scrap. But yeah. I just wanted a good crawfish boil. You know what I'm talking about? Let me know if you eat crawfish. If you don't eat crawfish, if you've never tried it, let me know. Okay? Because it's really good, but you need a lot to get a lot of meat. You know what I'm saying? Or you need a lot to get full. That's what I'm trying to say. You need a lot to get full. Let's get a big one. Ooh, look, there's a big claw. We can save that for a little bit later on. Look at this piece of meat I'm about to pull out of this thing. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at this piece of meat. That's what we're talking about. What is what we're talking about? We got some water over here. Oh, look at this baby. This is going to be another big one. Another good piece of meat. Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at this piece of meat. Y'all, I'm trying to get my friends to do another mukbang, but you know, haven't got them to do it yet. Now, I kind of saved some of the big claws that was loose in the bag and cooked them because I think they might be big enough to see if there's a little bit of meat inside. And we're going to eat it. Okay? Alright. Ooh, I just squirted myself in the eye with Cajun sauce that these were cooked in. Yo, this crawfish is so good. And I ain't got much to say today, but this is good. So this is another piece of good meat. Look at that. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Let me know if anybody has went to the river and caught fresh crawdad and ate them. Let me know if you have done that. Or if you have went to a crawfish pond and caught some crawfish. Let me know if you've done that. I haven't. All these crawfish is like store bought, so yeah. Yo, we just chowing down. We're going to town. Oh, this is gonna be another big one. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Look at this good piece of meat. Mmm. Oh yeah, baby. I don't know if y'all hear my stomach growling or not, but it's growling because I'm hungry. Oh, somebody want that. Somebody want that who's... Because I dropped it. Who wants it? Oh, look at these claws. They'd be good to kind of dig in. Oh yeah. This is going to be another good piece of meat. I can feel it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Garlic corn is amazing. Yes, it is. All right, y'all. I forgot my scissors. I'm gonna be right back. All right, we are back. I got my scissors, and we're just going to chop into these claws. See if there's any good meat. Mmm. That was some good meat. Wow, that was weak. Mmm. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this one. This one's got some meat in it. Look at this meat. Ooh, yeah. This has some meat. Mmm. This meat is so sweet. Mmm. Look at this. Look at that meat. Mm. This is the first time that I have had crawfish that actually have meat inside of their claws. Okay, that was not done. Alright, I'm done fooling with these claws. This was a good meal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you have not yet already. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. Turn on your post notifications. And remember to always smile, to always stay positive in whatever you're going through. You will get through it. Remember, tomorrow is a new day, a new beginning. So never give up. Always smile, always stay positive. And I'll see you guys in my next mukbang. Alright. Bye, everyone.